In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your first wholesaling real estate deal by reverse wholesaling. Basically taking the concept of wholesaling real estate and flipping it upside down. The main reason why you want to be reverse wholesaling in 2026 is you don't have to waste any time playing hot potato on your wholesaling deal. Basically meaning when you get a property on a contract, you don't have to be like, oh, where's the cash buyer? How do I dispo this? How do I find a buyer? You actually have a ready and willing and able buyer right there for you for success in wholesaling real estate. The real truth here is if you want to get success wholesaling real estate in 2026, the word of the year is speed. Speed, speed, speed. You need to get in front of these deals before anybody else so you can get in front of the seller and get them sold and have a faster conversion cycle of getting the property and getting it sold to a buyer. And the only way you're going to be a lot faster on these wholesaling deals is right when you lock up the deal, you can sell it in a snap of your fingers. And this is going out here and buying all these crazy dispo softwares and having all these complicated processes, but with reverse wholesaling. So basically, traditional wholesaling is done when you find a motivated seller, you write a contract, then you go out here and find a buyer to go buy your deal, assign it, walk them through, make your money. Well, reverse wholesaling real estate is you first go and find the buyer, get their buy box, get their criteria, seeing where they're looking to buy, then marketing in that specific area. You see, this is a way more niched out approach to wholesaling real estate than you're probably used to. So let's get into the step-by-step on how to start reverse wholesaling in 2026. But before I break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So reverse wholesaling is by far one of the easiest ways to get into wholesaling real estate in 2026. And you're going to be able to find the deals for the buyers that actually want it. The way I like to describe it is, it's like being a waiter. You see, in traditional wholesaling, you go out here and you make the pizza, and then you go to the person who's hungry and says, here's a pizza. Now the person is either gonna say, yeah, I'm so excited, let me dig into this pizza, here's my money, bro. Or they're gonna say, I'm lactose intolerant, how dare you give me that pizza? Well, you were hungry, so I thought you wanted a pizza. See, here's the thing. Wouldn't it be a lot easier if you can just kind of be a waiter and say, hey, what do you want? You want a burger. Let me write it down. Let me go get the ingredients for the burger. Let me come back to you and give you exactly what you want. Guess what? You come back with a cheeseburger, and guess what they're gonna say? A cheeseburger, exactly what I ordered. This is perfect. You see, what's really funny about this is your buyers aren't really upset. They literally give you the exact neighborhood, zip codes, criterias, 2-bedroom, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, what they want, what they don't want. And I think one of the most painful parts in wholesaling real estate is when you lock up a deal and you send it to a buyer and the buyer says, I don't want it. You're like, well, why don't you want it? It's a property. Either it's because of the price or the type of property. And so the interesting part is if you ever send a deal to these type of buyers and they say no, 99.9% of the time, it's because the price is just too high. So you're literally bringing the deals directly to the people that actually want them. That's the power of reverse wholesaling. So step one, find cash buyers. Really simple. By far, what I found the easiest way to find cash buyers is just go to xleads.com. Literally right here, xleads.com. Get a 14-day free trial. You can get 1,000 exports with the best skip tracing in the game. Literally go inside here, xleads.com. Go to the leads section. Really go right here. Choose an area. Let's do Riverside, California. And let's actually use a zip code. Let's make it easier. Let's say you need to find cash buyer in the 34952 area code. Literally inside of X Leads on the $97 plan, just go to filters, choose cash buyers for, let's just do single family properties. And let's do sale dates for the past month. Let's just do February to March to today. And all the cash sales in the past 2 or 3 months pop up right here. And you literally click in, find these people. Like for example, here, this property was bought for cash. Literally see the owner here, go to contacts, and the owner on record's literally right here, you get their phone number. Now, you can also just go to Zillow. And if I want to do like the 34952 area code and I want to go find a cash buyer, I'm just going to go to the for rent section right here. Literally click for rents. And literally right here, these are going to be all the landlords in the zip code. And let's use this one, this property for rent right here. And this is being listed by, this is a realtor. Let's skip. Let's find a natural like house. This one's not professional looking, so hopefully it's not a realtor. Of course, it's a stupid realtor. So we're going to have to go back and forth for a second here. Right here, the property owner, Katie, right here with her phone number. So all I can do is say, hey, Katie, I'm actually not looking to rent out your property here on Sapphire Terrace. I actually have a property locked up in that area. See if you're looking to buy any more. She's going to say, yes, I am looking to buy more rental properties. Say, oh, well, what's your buy box? Well, what type of properties are you looking to buy? She's going to say, most likely, I'm just guessing, I want to stay in the zip code, the 34952. I want to do 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, and I want to pay at most $400,000 for the house. And obviously, she's going to care if they cash flow or not. She's going to want a property that cash flows. Okay, cha-ching, roger that. You can even go to Facebook groups and just search for cash buyers on Facebook groups. Like you legit just go to the Tampa Real Estate Cash Investors and you just go through here and find all the quote cash investors. So for example, Jack Dempster says he's a wholesaler. Let's see here. So you get these people right here. Jason Burgess right here says he's interested. You can literally go right here, click his profile, press message, and you can literally just DM the guy and see if he's looking to buy any more properties in the area, get his buy box. You guys get the point. So it's really important here that you know how to ask the buyers the right questions. You should be asking them what areas they're looking to buy, the type of houses, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, brick, ranch, whatever style, what their ARV range is. If they're looking to buy cash, are they okay with assignments using your title company? And you basically just get their order. You see what they want, you take their order, and then you go out here and fill it out. Now, specifically, the number one thing that they're going to want is they're going to get a wholesaling deal for a good price and a good value. So basically what this means is you're going to have to get a property that is discounted and for below market value. This means you're going to go after very motivated seller lists. These are going to be pre-foreclosures, probates, tired landlords, code violations, vacant properties. And what I want to do is pull the government data and then the data on X Leads, the AI seller lists. And if you use an area code for like xleads.com, right? And you can literally do this for free. I'm just telling, the reason I'm pushing people on the X Leads is because you literally get 1,000 of these for free. So if you have no money, you still need to go to X Leads, go to the filter section, go to wholesale AI score, anything is 700, just use one of the AI sellability scores here and pull all this data sets and just market to them like crazy. And so you pull all the data, you get it skip traced on X Leads, which has the best skip tracing. Find the deals with the lists, call them, text them, get the deal locked up under contract, and then just call your buyer up and said, hey, John, remember you told me you're looking to buy 3 bedroom, 2 baths in the 34953 area code? Well, here's a 3-2 I got for $160,000. You want to buy it? 160 grand? That's a great deal. Cha-ching. You locked it up for $120,000. You're going to collect a $40,000 payday. Let's go. So obviously you want to send them the pictures, repair estimates, the ARV comps, the contract price for them, let them analyze the deal. And they're not going to say no. The only issue they might have is on price, but you can send it to another buyer if you had to. And you're not guessing when it comes to your dispo. It's super simple. Now I'll tell you, there are some common mistakes from reverse wholesaling I think you should know. First thing is not building that buyer's list first. I think a lot of people might struggle with that. So make sure you build a nice buyer's list. I would say you want 5 solid buyers before you start marketing. Now, again, the second mistake is when you're pulling your lists, you might want to do your AI list, your sellability score for X Leads for an entire area. Just do it for the areas that your buyers said they're looking to buy. Only pull the code violations in the areas your buyers are looking to buy, your vacant property list, whatever it is, and just only do it in the right areas your buyer's looking to buy. You don't want to get a deal that's not in their criteria because you'd be like, why are you sending me a deal in an area I didn't tell you to go find me the deal? And then you're going to be like the boy that cried wolf and you're going to send deals that they don't want. Then if you send bad deals to them, they're just going to not look at your deals anymore. And that's going to be a mess, which is coming down to the issue of just locking up contracts that buyers don't want to buy in. Reverse wholesaling solves all these issues. Now, I want to give you some realistic expectations when it comes to this though. Reverse wholesaling is still like a lot of work. Okay, you still need to go reach out to these sellers. You still need to reach out to the buyers. You still got to lock up these deals. You still got to market. You still got to call and text blast. But the only thing that's different is the dispo process is a lot easier and you're a lot more to the point. Now, one massive major hack with reverse wholesaling that not a lot of people talk about is you can use my buyer MAO strategy. Oh, what is this? Now, on very select deals, and you've probably had this before in wholesaling where you're like, I have zero clue how much the MAO on this house is. Like, I have no idea. You possibly can call up your buyer if you trust him and be like, hey, I'm actually going on an appointment to go see a house and the address is 123 Main Avenue. And I was just seeing what price range were you looking to buy a house like this if it needs just a little bit of work, nothing too crazy. But 108, like I have no idea like how much I want to price this at. I'm going to negotiate and get a good deal with him right now. Would it be around 200? Because he's asking like 200 for it. Okay, Cool, you're gonna be at 180. Gotcha. Now you have an MAO at 180. Maybe the guy's asking 140. Try to lock it up for 120 and you're good to go. And you kind of already have him soft launching it and kind of like soft accepting a small verbal. Then you get the property locked up. He goes to you, he trusts you, and he'll give you exactly where he's looking to buy the property for. But overall, guys, if you are brand new in wholesaling real estate, reverse wholesaling is the key. It's simple. The dispo is not messy. If you're a beginner and someone says, are you really going to buy my house? Oh, well, me and my partner. Who's your partner? Zach Ginn. He's a buyer that I actually have. I already found the buyers first. You can even mention your buyer's name as your partner on the deals before you even talk to the sellers. It's actually going to give you more confidence with the buyers. So if you're a beginner, this is such a bulletproof strategy for 2026 that you're going to feel absolutely amazing about. So reverse wholesaling, that is it. You already have the buyer for the confidence for you. You're going to have zero dispo issues because you're actually getting deals where the buyers want to buy. And you're going to have a ton of success. Let's do it from the top. You go out here and find the buyers. You get their buy box. You start pulling the lists that I taught you. If you want to learn more how to pull these lists, make sure you go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course and community. You lock up the deals, you send to the buyer, they walk through a sign, you make your money, repeat, and go out here and become successful. So guys, if you're ready to start making a ton of money reverse wholesaling, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course and community, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.